Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a logo using a grid. Grids are fundamental tools that bring structure and precision to your design process. They help ensure every element of your logo is perfectly aligned and balanced, creating a professional and harmonious visual. By understanding grid principles, you can achieve consistency and clarity, making your logo impactful and memorable. This foundational approach will elevate your design skills significantly. Choosing the right grid system is crucial for your logo's foundation. You might consider a simple square grid, a more complex circular grid, or even the elegant golden ratio. When setting up your design software, aim for a grid with a base unit of 10 or 12 pixels or points. This provides ample flexibility for subdividing and aligning your elements with precision, ensuring every detail is accounted for. Once your grid is established, begin placing your logo elements with meticulous care. Align every shape, line, and curve precisely to the grid lines or their intersections. Use the grid units to define the exact size and proportion of each component, ensuring visual harmony. Maintaining consistent spacing between elements, perhaps using a 2-unit or 3-unit module, will create a clean and professional appearance. After designing, it is essential to review your logo for visual harmony and strict adherence to the grid. Temporarily remove the grid overlay to see your final design in its pure form, ensuring it stands strong independently. Finally, test the logo's scalability across various sizes, from a small icon to a large banner, to confirm its effectiveness and clarity in all applications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.